So I need to display it to him, to the user, 2001 note, 501 note, 201 note, 101 note, 50. This is how a program works inside an ATM machine. So a microcontroller can be programmed to do a particular task. Okay, so in an IoT, you might have to do a particular task like this, where you might have to dispense notes, or you might have to dispense something by scanning them out, or something like that. All right. So you need to define certain functions, or you need to define certain programs like that. How do I do it? How do I make this happen? Okay, I make this happen by let's say I'm going to change the program, and I'm going to say, what is the amount that he's going to enter. Let's say amount is going to be equal to, let's say, tell the user to enter it. Int input, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from the ATM. Okay, and he's gonna give you an amount. Of course, you need to end the end. Now, how do I do the task? Okay, how do I do the task? Okay, mm, let's say 2000. 2000 2000 is a variable. I'm just creating a variable of 2000. Okay, so 2000, how many notes of 2000 must be dispensed? Okay, how many notes of 2000 must be dispensed? I need to take whatever amount that he has, 2850. If I do a floor division by 2000, I'll get how many notes? So 2850 divided by 2000, oh, it's just one. Is that clear? Now I need to also find out the new remaining amount. What is the remaining amount? Amount modulus 2000. Is that clear? Now from the remaining amount, I need to calculate what? What do I need to do? The remaining amount. I need to get from the remaining amount currently. So from here, from amount, considering my example, okay, I'm going to consider that I have taken from him the amount that the user has entered is 2850. This is going to return, what is this going to return for me? This is going to return for me 1. This is going to return for me hash. Can I say this is going to return for me 850? Yes. And from this remaining, I'm going to again divide it by 500. If I divide it by 500, I'm going to get how many notes of 500? Yes or no? How many notes of 500? Again a 1, because remainder is now 850. So can I say this is my new rem? But I need to find out now, has my remainder changed? Yes, it has. How will I find it out? Modulus 500, which is going to give me now hash remainder. Can I say remainder is now going to be 850 modulus 500 is going to be 350? Then can I say from my new remainder, if I divide it by 200, how many notes of 200? That's going to be my 200. So let's say 200 notes, and that's gonna be, let's say, hash again. You're gonna get a 1, right? And then you say you need to change the new remainder. What is the new remainder? The previous remainder, that is 350 modulus 200. So now I have something like 350 modulus 200 is 150. Yes, so this is your new remainder. And then you need to say find out what is your 100. Okay, the number of 100 nodes. So that's going to be a new remainder divided by 100. And then you have 100. Okay, then you have, so 100 is also going to be, this is going to be 1. And finally you're going to have the new remainder. That's going to be the earlier remainder modulus 50. So modulus 100, I'm so sorry, modulus 100. After dividing it by 100, okay, you have 150. Okay, so you have the remainder, that is, what is the remainder? 50. Now whatever is your new remainder, if I divide it by 50, I'll get how many notes of 50 I need. That's again gonna be 1. So this is gonna be, let's say, this is gonna be remainder, this is gonna be 50. This is the remaining amount. Is that clear? Now what do I need to tell him? I need to tell him what? I need to tell him print. What do I need to print? I need to print him at something like this. So I'll print like this. Amount, comma. I need to print what? Amount, comma. And then I need to say amount comma is equal to amount is equal to, of course, comma, and then I say how many of 2000 colon comma, can I say 2000? Yes, comma, that's what I have in this variable 1 2000. And then I need to say how many of 500, and of course with a colon, and then I'll get 500, sorry, with a comma of 500. And then I'm gonna tell him how many of 200. So that's gonna be 200. And then I'm gonna say how many of 100, and then I'm gonna say, right, 100 is gonna be, all right, and then I'm gonna say 50. It's gonna be 50, right? And with that, we are done with that. Now can I say this is gonna be my total? Let's see if I'm right. So 2850, right? Function F5. Okay, so enter the amount 2850. Cool, it did return to me that. Thank you. So that's how you need to develop your program. 2850 is. So can I enter some other amount? Go back to your program F5, and I'm gonna enter something like 5,900. Okay, so no 50s, no hundreds, 202, 503, 2002. Wow, did you understand? Is that very clear how we are going to, how we enter a program or how the ATM machine would? Anyways, thank you. Hope you had a good time learning arithmetic. Okay, there is one more program which I want you to try before I go to the solution for it. Okay, the program that I want you to try is take a number from the user. Take a number from the user and then return to him the sum of the individual digits of the number. Let's say, okay, the question is something like this. Okay, so I'm gonna just, okay, I'm just gonna make a new file. I'm gonna say new file, and I'm gonna say make the user to enter a new number. So I say enter a number. When he says enter a number, so basically enter a 3-digit number, make him to enter a 3-digit number. Okay, so if I say enter to make him a make him enter a 3-digit number, so that's going to be, let's say, num, and then from num I need to tell him, okay, whatever number you have got, I need, so say for example he enters 253, my answer should be 352. My answer should be 352. I should tell him what is the reverse of that number, and I should also tell him what is the sum of digits. I should just print it on the screen, sum of digits. What is the sum of digits? 2 plus 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 2. So that's gonna be 10, right? I want you to try this out. I'm going to save this function for us as reverse. We're going to start with this the next video. Hope you are in tune up till now. Thank you.